bleach is the go-to, is the, the gospel of killing things. How do you do it without bleach? Because I know bleach is not a very nice chemical to use.
It is very strong, and for a lot of folks, it can, becomes hard to breathe when you're cleaning the shower because it's just such a very, very strong chemical. And believe it or not, there is a more natural, less abrasive combination that you can use, and it is hydrogen peroxide and white vinegar. And this was actually studied by a scientist at Virginia Tech, and she was able to demonstrate the way that these two, chemicals work in concert. So you would put a spray top on both of them, or pour them separately into separate spray bottles. You spray the vinegar onto the surface that you're disinfecting. So, the kitchen counter, the bathroom door handle, light switches, things like that. Leave it sit for a few minutes, and then you spray the hydrogen peroxide on. You don't wipe it off. You just spray them on in order. And when you spray these on together, they form peracetic acid, which fights against Salmonella, E. coli, and Listeria, which is, those are three germs that none of us want floating around our houses by any means. An important note that you don't want to use this combination if you have granite countertops or marble countertops or any kind of natural stone in your house or kitchen, because the vinegar is acidic and it could damage the stone.